So welcome to my next video, and in this video we're gonna talk about the derivative of dy over dx. Um, to get dy over dx, we have the following equation. So we have to use it or find the derivative with respect to x in this equation. So first of all, we have to multiply both sides with d over dx. So we will get d over dx sine of x plus y is equal to d over dx y squared times cosine of x. In the next step, we can see here sine of something. Okay, so when we see or when we get something like this, where we have a function inside a function, then we have to use the chain rule. Okay, and when we differentiate trig function, then we can imagine or recap that we have to differentiate or differentiate a trig function like this. So sine of x, then here is cosine of x minus sine of x and minus cosine of x, and the derivative goes like this in this direction. And when we talk about integration, then we go in this direction. Okay. So in the next step, I want to write it like this. Sine of x plus y, and then times d over dx x plus y. And on the right hand side, we will get, we have to use here the product rule. So product rule, because we have a function here and times with another function, we have to use the product rule. So the product rule goes like this. We differentiate the first, so d over x, and we write the next the other function just like this. It still stays the same, cosine of x, and then we have to add. And now we have to write y squared times the derivative of cosine of x. So now to differentiate here the outer function, we get cosine of x. Cosine of the inner function or argument times, we can distribute this inside the parentheses here. Then we will get d over dx x plus dy over dx. And on the right hand side, we get 2y dy over dx times cosine of x plus y squared and minus sine of x, just like this. And when we differentiate this term here, then we will get 1 times x 1 minus 1. This will give us x to the power of 0, and this is 1. Okay? So we get cosine of x plus y times 1 plus dy over dx. This is equal to 2y dy over dx times cosine of x. I can bring here this minus sign in front of this y here. So we will get minus y squared times sine of x. Now I distribute this here inside the parenthesis. So we will get cosine of x plus y plus dy over dx cosine of x plus y is equal to 2y dy over dx times cosine of x minus y squared times sine of x. So now we can bring these two fractions here, or derivatives here, to one side. And everything with no dy over dx we can bring it to the other side. So we will get dy over dx cosine of x plus y minus dy over dx 2y times cosine of x, and this here we can bring this to the right hand side. So we will get minus y squared times sine of x minus cosine of x plus y. So in the next step, we can bring this 2 here in front of this both terms, so that we can write it just once. dy over dx in brackets cosine of x plus y minus 2y cosine of x is equal to, we have here a minus sign and here as well a minus sign, so we can bring it in front of brackets or parentheses, so that we get the following: y squared sine of x plus cosine of x plus y. So, and when we bring this here in the next step to the other side, then we get the following. I short the thing here up. And write it just down or below this denominator here. Cosine of x plus y minus 2y cosine of x, and this is our final answer. Okay. Thank you for watching, and when you like the video, just like it, and when you have questions, just leave them in the comment section, and see you in the next one.